We have invested more than $1 billion, which is close to 5,000 crore rupees here in India, and we employ more than 4,000 people. We have 2 car manufacturing plants. One plant is at Halol, which has got a capacity of about 85,000 units, and the second plant has got a capacity of about 1,40,000 units. As in today, we have a total capacity of about 2,25,000 units. Coming to our products, let me tell you, this year we have launched 3 products. We have first introduced the Chevrolet Beat, and subsequently we have introduced the Cruise Automatic. Then we have introduced the Avio CNG as well. As in today, we have products suiting any pocket, starting from a mini car starting at about 2,74,000 rupees and going up to 22 lakh rupees. This year, in any case, our overall target is to sell in excess of more than 1 lakh cars. Last year we sold about 69,579 cars. Going back to our other programs, let me tell you, our engine plant is in full swing. The construction is in full swing. This is the first flexi engine plant in the GM world, wherein both diesel and petrol engines are going to be manufactured simultaneously, and the engines will roll out from our plant by the end of this year. Going forward, our product programs, in any case, let me tell you, this year we have already launched 3 options, and we will have some special editions going forward, and then we are also working on other product programs, including light commercial vehicles, which will be launched by the end of next year. As far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned, now let me tell you, because earlier the 60% of the sales used to come only from the bigger cities, and somewhere around 40% from the smaller cities. Now the trend has completely changed. Though Hyderabad is one of our very important markets and a larger market, but other centers are also contributing very well, and the market is completely growing. Vijayawada is growing, Vizag is growing, Rajahmundry is growing, Nellore is growing, Karimnagar is growing. So therefore, of course, all the other markets are also, as far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned, is also registering excellent growth. Let me tell you, of the total sales, somewhere around 35% normally come from the northern part of India. That is followed by the western part of India. Western part contributes somewhere around 25 to 30%, and similarly 20 to 25% of the sales come from the southern part, and they balance somewhere around 10 to 15% from the eastern part of the country. But let me tell you now, southern part of India is slowly and steadily catching up with the western part of India. As far as southern part of India is concerned, yes, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, all 4 the markets are doing exceedingly well, and all these markets have been registering good growth. But there has been a slight slowdown as far as Andhra Pradesh market is concerned in the recent past because of various reasons, but I am sure that it will remain only for a short term, and long term the market will definitely improve and register excellent growth. Thank you very much.